As more people switch to using tooth powder and move away from today's toothpaste that contain harmful ingredients, I'm constantly asked, how do you use it? It's simple. I always like to start by giving it a good shake. Then wet your toothbrush and gently tap it on the side of the sink to remove any excess water. Lightly dip your bristles one time into the tooth powder. And you might be wondering, is this sanitary? Because we've all been taught not to dip your chip back into the salsa.
That's like putting your whole mouth right in the dip.
But the answer is yes, it is sanitary. If you have removed all of the excess water from the bristles, all the powder will stick to the moist bristles, leaving nothing behind. If you notice the powder becoming cakey or crusty, you're probably using too much water. Once I'm ready to brush, I prefer to coat all of my teeth before starting my 2 minutes of brushing. And then brush your teeth for 2 minutes. Spit it out, but don't rinse. This allows the hydroxyapatite that's in the tooth powder to do its job of desensitizing and remineralizing your teeth. Pro tip, I like to use a tongue scraper after to avoid that gritty feeling on my tongue. And if you're looking for a good tooth powder, I use Living Well with Michelle. And to say thanks for watching this video, use code HONEST for 10% off your purchase, and the link is down below in the description. So throw out your old toothpaste and replace it with a clean tooth powder. And for your next steps towards a healthier smile, watch this next video here. As more people switch to using tooth powder and move away from this allows the hydroxyapatite that's in the tooth powder to do its job of desensitizing and remineralizing your teeth.